First warning sign: if any message asks for a login code, password reset, payment change, remote access, or secrecy, pause immediately. The action is simple: verify through a separate channel you already trust, not the link, phone number, QR code, or reply path inside the message. Today's global awareness briefing is about AI-assisted phishing and credential theft scams. The defensive lesson is not that every polished message is fake. The lesson is that realistic wording, voice, image, or video is no longer enough proof when money, accounts, or identity are at stake. The source picture is clear across official guidance. The FBI Internet Crime Complaint Center has warned that criminals can use generative AI to facilitate financial fraud, including text, images, audio, and video used to impersonate people or organizations. CISA tells users to recognize and report phishing and to be careful with suspicious links and requests. The FTC's consumer guidance points to classic scam signals: imposters, urgency, unusual payment methods, and the need to verify independently. Microsoft's security reporting continues to emphasize identity, phishing, and social engineering as major defensive priorities. Different sources. One practical conclusion: protect the moment before you share a code, approve a prompt, or change a payment. What victims see usually follows a predictable pattern. It may start as an email from a bank, cloud service, shipping company, tax office, employer, school, exchange, marketplace, social network, or collaboration platform. It may arrive as a text about a locked account, a missed delivery, a refund, a payroll issue, a fake invoice, a suspicious login, or a document waiting for signature. It may also come as a direct message from a compromised account that already looks familiar. AI can make the grammar cleaner, translate the message for a local audience, personalize the wording from public information, and make the request feel more convincing. The risky action is the part to focus on. Scammers want you to enter credentials on a lookalike page, share a one-time code, approve an unexpected MFA prompt, scan a QR code, install remote access software, upload identity documents, move to a private chat, send money, or change bank details. We do not need to describe how criminals build those pages or messages. Defenders only need to know that the final request almost always tries to move you away from normal process and into a rushed decision. If the request involves credentials, codes, payment, documents, remote access, or secrecy, treat it as high risk until verified. Why does AI make this harder? First, it reduces obvious mistakes. A phishing email can sound professional, local, and polite. Second, it can scale personalization. A fake message may mention a real job title, recent event, product, vendor, or family detail. Third, synthetic media can create a false sense of presence, a voice note that sounds familiar, a profile image that looks consistent, or a video clip that seems to confirm identity. But AI does not remove the scam's dependency on pressure. The scam still needs speed, secrecy, authority, fear, embarrassment, curiosity, or greed to make you skip verification. Here are warning signs for everyday users. 1. A deadline measured in minutes, especially with threats of account closure, arrest, missed delivery, lost refund, payroll delay, or public embarrassment. 2. A link, QR code, phone number, or attachment that you did not request. 3. A request for passwords, one-time codes, backup codes, recovery phrases, identity documents, or remote access. 4. An unexpected MFA prompt or a caller asking you to read a code out loud. 5. Payment urgency, gift cards, crypto, wire transfers, instant payments, or sudden changes to vendor bank details. 6. Pressure to keep the request secret or avoid contacting support, family, finance, or IT. Verification should be boring and independent. Do not click the message link. Do not call the number in the message. Do not scan the QR code. Open the official app, use a saved bookmark, type the website yourself, call the number on the card, use a company directory, contact the person through an existing thread, or ask a family safe word question. For business payments, use two-person approval and a trusted callback before changing bank details. For account alerts, go directly to the service from a clean browser or official app. A real security alert can wait for verification. A scammer depends on you acting before you check. For stronger account protection, use a password manager so every site has a unique password. Turn on multi-factor authentication, preferably phishing-resistant options where available, and never share MFA codes. Keep devices, browsers, and apps updated. Review account recovery emails and phone numbers. Remove old sessions and unknown devices. Use official security checkups for major accounts. For organizations, train staff to report suspicious messages quickly, protect help desk resets, log unusual mailbox rules, watch for new OAuth app grants, require approval for payroll or vendor changes, and limit who can authorize payment changes. If you already clicked or shared information, act quickly. Change affected passwords from a trusted device. Revoke suspicious sessions. Rotate recovery codes. Contact your bank, card issuer, payment app, wire provider, gift card company, or crypto platform using official contact paths if money moved. Save evidence, screenshots, emails, phone numbers, usernames, links, receipts, wallet addresses, dates, and amounts. Report the message inside the platform or workplace. In the United States, report consumer fraud to reportfraud.ftc.gov and internet-enabled crime to ic3.gov. Outside the U.S., use your national cybercrime or consumer protection channel. Bottom line, AI can make phishing look fluent, personal, and urgent, but your defense can stay simple. Pause before codes, passwords, payments, documents, remote access, or secrecy. Verify outside the message. Use unique passwords and MFA. Report fast when something feels wrong. The message may be polished, but the safest habit is still independent verification.